Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a recipe that I really like from HelloFresh. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I just really enjoyed this recipe, so I figured I'll share with you guys. These are the ingredients that you will need. We're gonna put some water to boil with some salt for our potatoes. With our veggies, we're gonna slice the poblano and the onion, put it in an oven rack, and we're gonna put some olive oil, salt, pepper, and mix everything up. So I'm mixing everything with my hand because it was just me eating them. But of course, if you're having guests, you might want to use serving tongs or fork or something like that. And here I just put a teaspoon of chili powder just to give it a little kick. We're going to move it all around and we're going to roast this for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're also going to put the potatoes now that the water has boiled and just wait for that to cook. Now in a medium bowl, we're going to mix the panko, the chili powder, Southwest spice, Monterey Jack cheese, salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and mix everything up. For chicken, just salt, pepper on both sides, and we're going now to add sour cream, and we're gonna just slather this all over the chicken. So then we can put it on our mixture. We're gonna put the chicken in our mixture and just press it down to make sure it gets everywhere. We're gonna put more sour cream on the other side of the chicken and do the same thing. Now that the chicken is ready, we're going to put it in the oven with our veggies for about 15 to 20 minutes at 425 degrees. Potatoes are ready. We're going to remove the liquid without throwing it out to use at a later time. To the potatoes, we're going to add the 4 tablespoons of sour cream and 2 tablespoons of butter with some salt and mash everything up. If the consistency is too thick, you want to add some of the leftover potato cooking liquid to just make everything really smooth and silky. So our chicken is ready. I had already removed the veggies because they were already roasted. So here's the final product: the chicken, mashed potatoes, roasted veggies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down on the comments below what your thoughts are. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, bye.